Hello and welcome to the crypto market updates. So today we'll be discussing specifically the price action of Ethereum. If you are following me on Twitter, you might be noticing that we have started to pick up some little position in Ethereum right now. So we, uh, personally, I started to buy Ethereum around $1,650, and last night we saw Ethereum started to go down and everybody started panic selling, and I said that we wouldn't be selling until and unless we are in profits, and that is what exactly we saw, that a dead cat bounce. Right now this is the daily time frame. If we see the 4 hour time frame, this is a very unlikely or predictable dead cat bounce. We saw that Ethereum hit the price tag of $1,500. That proved to be a very strong support right now. Although we not much volume in the exchanges right now because of the fear of the Federal Reserve of a 75 basis point rate hikes. What is happening around the market is that Ethereum and Ethereum based tokens are performing very well if we see against Bitcoin, uh, the performance of these tokens. So right now, since we have started to buy Ethereum around $1,650, then Ethereum went down. Personally, I bought Ethereum once again at $1,537. So my average buying price is around $1,570. I don't know about you, but since I had faith, since we are holding Ethereum in spot right now, so it doesn't matter whether Ethereum goes down or goes really down. So if you are a spot holder, you don't need to worry about Ethereum specifically. Ethereum is a very good project. However, I would recommend you not to take a lot of risk right now if you are looking into crypto for short term profits. And what I mean by short term profits, I mean that if you are looking to cash out the gains made from the merge, then you should cash out the gains before the merge even happens, because after the successful implementation of the Ethereum merge, what I expect is Ethereum would be rejecting strongly and start to downfall. So if you are also following me on Twitter, I have posted the take profit points for Ethereum, and about when the Ethereum would start to hit the $1,700, we would be seeing signs of rejection from it, but depends upon the circumstances. If Ethereum breaks the resistance to the upside, we would be seeing a clear path towards $1,900. However, personally, I would be taking profits along the way to the upside. That is around $1,700 to $1,900. That is what I would be doing. And if you have picked with me, then I'll be also saying you that you should be following this. However, if you are seeing on the 4 hour chart, we have seen a very bullish green candle on the upside, but still we have saw the burnout of this resistance to be effective for Ethereum price action. This is Ethereum versus USDT chart, and if we see on the zoomed out time frame, Ethereum is right now not really going down as compared to BTC. If we compare to Bitcoin, let's talk about 18th of June. On 18th of June, we know that Bitcoin touched the price target of $17,500, and that is when Ethereum also suffered a very low blow in the market, and that was around a price of $1,880 for one Ethereum. And since then we are seeing Ethereum going to the upside even against dollar as well as Bitcoin. So if we zoom out the charts, we understand and we see a clearer picture. Right now Ethereum's direction is towards the upside, and I suspect this is going to continue after the merge. This is a very interesting thing to discuss. Right now what my primary expectation is, since there is a lot of weakness in the market, so I don't think so Ethereum is going anytime soon to $2,200. However, this could be a possibility in November and December, but for September, I am still thinking if the Federal Reserve, which no one knows at the point except the chairman of the Federal Reserve, whether if the interest rates are going to be 75 basis point, so the whole market including cryptocurrency, stock market will be going to take a downturn, and I don't think so even touching $2,000 to $2,200 would be a reality in that case. However, we may form a wick on the daily time frame, but it wouldn't stay there for long, and it would definitely return towards the downside. But if you are a long-term holder of Ethereum, you will be getting plenty of time to buy back Ethereum in cheap prices. If I expand this Fibonacci retracement tool, where I would be taking the profits on Ethereum would be around $1,700 to $1,900, and you can clearly see my buying price was around $1,570 average down. I'm saying average down because most of you must have picked at single point with me, that was $1,650, but I averaged it back down again at $1,530, so its average price is right now $1,570 around. So that's what my immediate plan for Ethereum. For short-term profit, I'll be taking profit between $1,700 to $1,900. But after the rejection, I'll start to pick up my long-term Ethereum. The first point where I'll be picking the long-term Ethereum would be around in between $1,400 to $1,300. And then afterwards, if Ethereum goes below the Fibonacci level of 0.618, that's also a golden pocket ratio. We can also give or take buy Ethereum below $1,400 and above $1,320. So there is one buy order for Ethereum, and the other buy order is between $1,480 to $1,430, and the last buy order would be around $1,100 to $1,000. However, there are still chances if we saw a black swan event, which I almost discussed in most of the videos, that since the market has a bigger trend towards the downside, I'm talking about overall crypto market, so Ethereum merge after successful implementation would behave in a similar manner right now the Bitcoin is behaving, which is overall bearish. If you see, when Ethereum was around $1,700 and $17,500, Ethereum was around $900, but right now Bitcoin has went back after touching $25,000, went back into 18,000 region, but Ethereum hasn't followed. Ethereum is going to the upside no matter what BTC is doing. If I try to add BTC chart on it, yep, so you can clearly see Bitcoin dipped on 18 June really hard around $17,000, and then went back up similar to Ethereum, but it is a normalized chart. So since the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum is quite a lot different, so right now just focus on the price action. So BTC went down back to near $17,000 or $18,000 range, but Ethereum didn't go anywhere near to its lows of June and July. So that is what my primary expectation for Ethereum is. When as soon as the merge is complete, that is what we'll be seeing in the Ethereum market overall to go to the downside, as the people would be getting out of Ethereum to take maximum profit of the merge event. Moving on towards Ethereum to BTC chart, clearly you can see just I discussed and tried to explain on around 18th of June, we saw the local bottom of the Bitcoin market as well as Ethereum. But since then Ethereum is going to the upside. This is the daily chart, and on single day you are around about to see 8%, 10% and similar gains on Ethereum, and these are consistent. If I chart this, since it is a Ethereum to BTC chart, so Ethereum has gained about 73.95% against Bitcoin in the last 2 months. So this is overall upside potential for Ethereum just because of the Ethereum merge news, and definitely I would recommend you to take profits as soon as the merge begins, or even as soon as the merge day comes. So this is overall review for Ethereum, and what I'd be doing personally also have been discussed in the video. If you find the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.